Peace for me is about living in a comfortable place, doing what you want to do, and have freedom of movement, and enjoy everything that life offers us.
Peace means for me is to live without occupation. We have permits, for example, to go to the north of Palestine. And to live peacefully here in our country, Bethlehem, Palestine.
Peace for me is a state of mind, means to be open to other culture, to understand others, and to be able to live all together.
Peace for me would be the feeling that you get when you finally get to home at the end of a difficult period or a difficult time.
In our situation, living under occupation, there is no peace.
Peace means to me is to live without occupation, to live in free country.
Peace is a condition, but is also like something that I can have because I living in the west part of the world, in Italy, in Europe. But it's something that I also can understand that is really important because other people don't have this privilege.
Justice means to me that all people should have the same rights, they should have the same resources, they should have the same needs equally, regardless of their gender, religion, anything else.
Justice is a belief. I think it's not just a word and an act. To be just is, first of all, it starts from inside, and then it means only one thing that you can apply to everyone, regardless of race, nationality, or color. And it has only one meaning, and that is to be fair, first with yourself, believe in your act, inside out, and be responsible about being justice to others as well.
Equality means to me that people can live and can have the same rights, and also they should have the same rights, so live without discrimination or differences among them.
Equality is feeling free to express yourself.
It's the same treatment for everybody, to see a person as a person rather than anything external or even anything internal, to see each unique human being as deserving of treatment in the same way.
Well, equality, it's something that I don't feel most of the time living here, but it's like being treated equally no matter where I am, getting a chance in any job no matter from where I am. Even though if I'm a woman or a man, so it's like getting equal chances.
Equality for me is when two people have the same rights, same opportunity, when they can express themselves completely and they can do the same thing.